Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately. Confirm your OS build and free disk space because installers fail when storage or system mismatches occur. Once done, run the installer as administrator and pause antivirus. This prevents file locks and false positives. Make sure to copy the installer error code and note the log path. These details tell you which component failed. While the process runs, watch for prompts that require elevated permission or missing runtime libraries, so you can respond quickly. Now fix what commonly breaks installers, dependencies, and conflicts. You should install or repair runtimes like NET and Visual C++ redistributables because version gaps cause silent failures. If previous installs exist, repair or fully uninstall them with msexec or the app's uninstaller, then reboot. Once restarted, inspect path and environment variables. Remove duplicate entries or old paths that point to different versions. This ensures the installer finds correct libraries and avoids runtime mismatches that abort setup. Finish by running the installer with verbose logging so you capture the exact failure sequence. Use the provided /log or verbose flag. If it still fails, examine the log, isolate the error code, and recreate the simplest failing case. This helps you identify a corrupt package or permission issue. Once retried, consider installing under a clean user profile or inside a virtual machine to isolate external interference. If that works, you've pinpointed the environment cause and can apply the fix system-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.